ito na naman tayo. Comparing me to my sister. I'm so sick of this. Malaki inggit nitong Rich kay Raiz. Kaya parang ayaw niya sa kapatid niya compare sa brothers niya. Alam ko naman na mukhang patay yung buhok ko. And welcome back to my channel. So today guys is kakatapos ko lang mag-makeup guys. I don't know if you've seen my video but I was reviewing products from Perfect Diary. I really hope you check them out. This is the final look guys. O diba, ini-insert ko talaga dito. Fairness lang talaga guys. Very good yung review ko sa kanila. It's such a good product. I'm gonna put the link below para ma-check out niyo yung review ko. But since ayokong masayang yung makeup ko guys kasi minsan na lang ako makapag-makeup. Kasi nga busy talaga sa work. Lagi talaga ako nag-work na. Ano ba yan? So I just thought na make another content while I have this makeup on kasi hindi kasi ako nag-vlog ngayon eh. I was talking about negative comments, haters, insecurities, and all those stuff. Nung pag-review ko sa mga products, might as well continue it even further. So what we're gonna do right now guys, my reaction to some of the negative comments that I read sa aking channel. Konti lang naman to guys, but to tell you honestly, 4 videos lang to guys, I was able to read negative comments, which is quite unfortunate, but that's life. Without further ado, let's start. This is from... Should I mention the name? Hindi ko alam paano ito ginagawa. Makiano nga ako, makiusyoso ako sa iba. So guys, may mention naman yung name. So this is from... Mention talaga na name. Hindi siguro. Depende lang siguro pag nainis ako. So this is from Mark Canada. Ang arte mo ay ang tagal ko na talaga itong nababasa talaga na ang arte ko daw talaga. Pero wala po talaga akong problema kasi may arte talaga lahat ng tao. Iba-iba lang talaga tayo ng klase ng arte. But for me, maarte ako. Siguro naaartehan kayo sa aking pagsasalita. I feel like sometimes napapansin ko din na parang ang arte ko magsalita. Maybe it is because of my braces. Hindi na nga ako nakaka-pronounce na maayos eh. That's why I'm thinking na maarte ba talaga siya pakinggan? Kasi minsan I notice na hindi ko talaga napapronounce na maayos na yung mga sinasabi ko. Kasi grabe guys, ang daming rubber na nasa bibig ko. Dito, and everywhere. Wala po talaga akong magagawa dyan. Kung ganyan ako magsalita, ganyan na talaga ako magsalita. Yeah, that's it. So, maarte daw ako. Ay, asa na yun? This is from Elsa Maro. In fairness naman dito sa Elsa Maro, i-mention ko talaga yung name niya because she's always been consistent giving me negative comments. O talaga, nag-mention ako ng name, I'm so sorry. Pero, like, feeling ko kasi below the belt sometimes eh. Pero wala naman tayong magagawa kung ganyan talaga yung ginagawa ng mga tao. So this person, na-recognize ko talaga siya because I was the kind of person na sobra talagang hindi naman sobra, pero nakikipag-away talaga ko when it comes to some things na parang, ay, grabe, below the belt na talaga. This one, yung comment kasi niya before, saan naman kita ko? Wait muna ha. Nainis kasi ako sa comment niya. Kaya medyo naalala ko talaga siya. Kasi parang nag-answer back ako sa kanya. Ito. So, na-screenshot ko talaga to siya, diba? May ano talaga may galit. Hindi naman. Na-screenshot ko lang siya kasi hindi ko ma-imagine na mayroong mga tao na ganito. Yung comment niya kasi guys before is nagdadasal kapag kunwari, mukha naman kagaguhan yung dasal mo, mukhang biro lang sa'yo. So, doon ako parang na-trigger ako ng konti talaga. Kasi, we always pray. Me and Michelle before eating, nagpipray talaga kami. I'm very blessed about what I have. Hindi talaga ako tipid when it comes to food. Talaga, nagpapasalamat talaga ako. And then, for someone to comment na hindi para daw ako naglalaro, sometimes I'm very excited about the food to the point na, ay, parang, amen, parang gumaganon ako. Pero it's not that I don't respect the food. I don't feel blessed. I'm not saying thank you sa food na binibigay sa akin ni Lord kasi I'm really blessed. Like, I'm very thankful sa lahat ng kung meron ako ngayon. So, para sa kanya, parang na-hurt ako na, ay, kagaguhan ba yun? Buti nga ako nagdadasal eh. Parang naano ako noon, na-irrit ako. Sabi ko nga ito kay Michelle. Sabi niya, Michelle, kagaguhan daw yung ginagawa natin. And of course, she's so irritated as well. Like, how come kagaguhan yung pagpipray namin? Although we get excited a lot of times kasi we love food. Kaya alam niyo naman yan, lagi ako nagmumukbang and then every time meron tayo tayong bagong pagkain na naluluto kasi nag-adventure nga kami when it comes to food, diba? Marami akong pinapakita sa inyo na first time kong gumawa ng ganito, ganyan. So, you're very happy to the point na na-excite ka. Siguro yun yung napansin niya. So, I answered back to her. So, yung na-comment ko lang sa kanya talaga, are you unhappy with your life? Yun. And parang feeling ko na-trigger talaga siya, guys. Trigger si ate. Sobrang feeling ko galit na galit siya. And to the point na lagi kong nakikita na not all the videos naman, alam naman siguro niya. If ever nanunood siya nito, kasi hindi ko talaga siya blinak, kukomment talaga siya ng negative. So, yun. Next negative comment, guys, is your hair is dead. Go have a decent wake instead of flaunting it pa. Ang hirap talaga, guys. Like, alam ko naman na mukhang patay yung buhok ko. Ano ba yan? So, nag-effort ako, guys. Gumastos ako ng bongga sa buhok ko. I spent almost $400 for my hair. And for me to just tie it, nakaka-hurt din siya talaga. Although, dry talaga looking yung buhok ko, unfortunately. Pero I don't really wanna tie it every time, especially if I'm at home. Siguro, hindi talaga siya pleasing sa mata, pero wala akong magagawa, guys. Kasi, yun na yung buhok ko. Yan na yan. Nakatay siya ngayon. Diba? I'm still planning to make changes sa buhok ko, pero it's not that easy. I have to think about what's gonna be better for me. Kasi nga, ayoko na mangyari yun. Hindi naman sa pinagsisisihan ko, kasi it's like a major decision na ginawa ko, kasi it's my first time na talaga na mag-blonde. Para sa akin na, wow, nakaya ko talaga mag-decide ng ganun. Kasi for me, it's like a huge thing. Pero yeah, I'm still thinking about the next hairstyle and next hair color. And I'm really hoping na pleasing na siya sa mata niyo. Because I know, hindi lang siya yung nagre-reklamo. Meron ding nagre-reklamo. Yun, I really hope na maging maganda siya in the future. This is from Candy Medallia. Napaka-arte mo. Hindi bagay sa mukha mo. Yun talaga, no? I used to say this myself na parang sinasabi ko talaga, ay, ang arte-arte naman yun. Parang naman siya maganda. Oh, totoo yan. Pero before yan, guys. Hindi yan ngayon. Hindi na ngayon. Maldita talaga ako before eh. Pero yun, totoo, maarte ako. Pero I don't think I'm gonna change myself for you to like me. Kung maarte ako sa inyo, edi maarte ako. Wala akong magagawa. I don't think I can change that. So then, tired of this concept of shopping haul, can you come up with another concept? Just saying. Sa totoo lang talaga, guys, I keep on saying that. Kasi minsan ako, nasasabi ko na din, maulit-ulit lang naman to. Uy, sa totoo lang, yun talaga nasasabi ko. Pero, humuhugot po ako sa mga comments na nagsasabi kayo na, ate, please, that's my favorite segment sa vlog mo. Yan yung favorite segment ko kasi I wanna know kung ano yung what others are having. Totoo talaga, guys, when you see my comments sa grocery, yun talaga nababasa ko talaga na positive halos lahat. Yun kasi yung gusto ng most of you. And I feel like gusto nyo din talaga kasi marami yung nag-review when it comes to grocery shopping eh. So I feel like if gusto nyo, di ibibigay ko sa inyo kasi may mapapakita naman ako. Especially monthly kami nag-grocery. If you're tired of this, just don't watch it. Yun lang yung masasabi ko kasi I'm just doing it for those people na gusto siya makita. This one is you spending too much sa monthly groceries mo. Di pa nga namin nakikita nang papadala ka ng balikbayan box sa family mo sa Pinas. Unlike Grace, ito na naman tayo. Comparing me to my sister, I'm so sick of this. Talaga. Unlike Grace, konti hinuhaul sa groceries niya, pero galante din magpadala sa Pinas. Ikaw, hambog, oy. Grabe siya. Sa totoo lang naman talaga, guys, I don't really have to show you kung... Guys, nagpapadala pala ako ng pera sa Pilipinas when it comes to balikbayan box, guys. So, I'm planning to do it, guys, pero hindi pa talaga siya coming into action kasi medyo busy din. And then, hindi ko pa talaga alam kung anong process. But I'm really thinking about that kasi nga, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, if it's been 2 years, lagi talaga ako umuwi sa Pilipinas. So, whenever I go to the Philippines, that's the time na namimigay ako sa kanila. Like, namimili ako. Nakikita nyo naman siguro sa videos ko, namimili ako para sa mga kapatid ko. And then, yun yung dinadala ko sa Pilipinas. In this occasion, guys, dahil nasa virus, hindi ako makakauwi. So, I talked to my sister and nasabi ko talaga sa kanya, paano yan, ate? Like, I also wanna give them something. Pero, how is it possible? So, sabi niya, balikbayan box na lang yung pakonti-konti daw. Hindi pa nga ako nakakabili ng box eh. But with this comment from Gemini1792, with this comment kasi parang napaka-negative niya to the point na parang hindi mo iniisip yung pamilya mo. Of course, I think about them. That's why I thought of yun nga, baka balikbayan box. Baka lang naman. I'm not really saying I'm gonna do it just because this person told me to do it. I have my own ways. Yung pag-grocery ko din, it's not something na galante. Kasi bakit galante yan? I don't see the point kung bakit galante siya. So, hindi ko siya mag-gets. Galante siguro para sa kanya, pero hindi. I don't see bakit hambog siya kasi hindi naman ako, I'm not really spending more than I need to just to show off kasi yun naman yung pangangailangan talaga namin sa bahay. Yun yung niluluto naman. It's not that we're wasting it, we're eating it. And then, ano talaga guys, nauubos talaga namin yan before we head on to our next grocery. So, I don't see any point na hambog siya. Maybe because I'm doing a haul, which is pretty much the point. You have to show kung ano yung binili mo. Yan naman yung haul. So, yeah, nakakalungkot yung mga ganito yung mentality. But, that's alright. If magpapadala man ako nga ng balikbayan cuts, it's really up to me. It's not up to you. If I'm sending money, I don't have to tell you, Gemini. I don't have to tell you because you're not part of my family. I'm so sorry. So, ito guys, meron talaga akong nababasa na comments na sobra ako naiinis kasi it's not about me, it's about my sister. And I think, given na siguro yun sa trabaho ni ate, which is full-time YouTuber, na ang dami talagang negative comments. But what I hate the most is bakit sila, yung mga bashers niya, pumupunta siya sa akin. And then, of course, mababasa siya kasi konti lang naman yung viewers ko, guys. Hindi naman tulad kay ate. So, mababasa ko talaga siya. Naiinis ako. And I'm so happy din na meron iba talaga na nakakabasa ng comments na they defend my sister. Because sometimes, ayoko talagang madala sa emosyon. I can be really mean, guys. Especially pag na-involve yung family. Kasi yun lang yung meron ako. I'm so happy na sometimes I don't have to voice out kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman ko. My sister's follower is very good in defending her, so I don't have to do it. Kasi yan ako eh. Minsan parang sinasabi nila na just let it go. Pero feeling ko, kung sa akin, marami ako nabasa na negative comments. Did I respond to that anymore? Hindi na. Pero yung mga ganito, parang napapa-respond ka kasi alam mo yung totoo. And I feel like, as a person or as a sister, parang they deserve to know the truth. And alam nila na mas may alam ako kaysa sa kanila. And sometimes they just wanna be informed. Yun lang. Ito, nakakagalit din to. So, ang comment pala dito, guys, sabihin ko na lang. Kasi, andito siya. Napakaswapang ng ate mo sa pagkain. Kawawa si Dan. Parang sabik na sabik lagi sa pagkain. Parang gusto kasi ng kapatid mo. Siya lang pwede mag-snack kumain. Grabe ka, Mex Camus, ha? Gawa-gawa ka talaga. Ay, lahat ng binibili sa kanya niya lang. Sobrang tipid bagdating sa pagkain. Sobrang higpit kay Dan sa pagkain. Mas lalo ata sa magiging anak niya. Oh, dito ako na-trigger, guys. Kasi ini-include pa yung pamangkin ko. Ngayon, hindi pa nga, wala pa dito sa world. This is totally not true. I don't think my sister is gonna do that. Hindi nga siya ganito sa amin. Kay Dan pa. Nakakalungkot yung mga ganitong comment. Kasi tipid sa pagkain. Hindi naman tipid sa pagkain si ate. Ano ba yan? Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, if meron kayong mga negative comments about my sister, please, huwag na pumunta sa channel ko kasi naiinis ako sa inyo. Ay, nako. Mostly sa mga comments talaga, like, kaartihan ko daw. Sobrang arte ko daw magmukbang. Buti pa daw si, kinukompare pa ako. So, guys, this is gonna be the last negative comment na nabasa ko. So, ito na lang siguro, guys. Next time na lang yung iba if ever gusto nyo pa. Pero this is from Jaylin family. Gabi talaga siya, guys. Andito naman yung ate ko. Lagi talaga. Bakit nandito lagi yung ate ko? Malaki inggit nitong Rich kay Rayz. Kaya parang ayaw niya sa kapatid niya compare sa brothers niya. Paano niyo po nasabi? Like, wala po talaga. Like, yung video na ito, this is for the baby shower. Baby shower ng kawork ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit naisip niya lang na naiinggit ako. Naiinggit ako kay ate. We are on different stages of our life. Everything that's happening to her, I'm very happy. Kasi alam ko na she worked hard for it. For the baby. Umiyak nga ako sa journey niya. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit nasasabi niyo na naiinggit ako sa kanya. Wala talagang halong inggit, guys. It's just I'm very proud of her. I'm so happy for her. I'm her sister for sake. Siguro, thoughts mo to sa sarili mo or sa kapatid mo. Don't put it on someone else's kasi never talaga akong maiinggit kay ate. Before, siguro mga bata pa, inggit-inggit in terms of like pambata, clothes and stuff. But we're not on that stage anymore. I'm mature enough to think what I want in life. My sister is also working on her own life. I'm just really happy sa stage ng life ko. I'm not pressuring myself. I know I can get the things that I want because I know how to work hard. That's the only thing that I'm proud of myself. But in in terms of inggit-inggit, hindi po kami ganyan sa pamilya namin. We support each other. Yan po talaga. We support each other. We back up each other. So, yeah, wala pong inggit na nangyayari, guys. So, ikaw, very negative. Hindi ko alam kung saan mo yan nakuha. But thank you. If ever gusto niyo pa yung mga ganito, I can search for more. Pero medyo madami din yung hindi may gusto sa akin. That's part of life, guys. We can't please everyone and that's okay. You always have to remember that just be yourself. Those people who understand, those people who love you are gonna be around you. They're gonna stay. They're not gonna go away. Just be yourself para malaman mo kung sino talaga yung magsi-stay for you. If you're gonna pretend as someone you're not, then you're gonna be surrounded with people who doesn't really love the true you. So yun. So just be yourself. So yun guys, thank you so much guys for watching and I really hope na-enjoy niyo itong mga pag-answer ko ng mga negative comments towards me. I'm really happy guys that I've grown as a person. I really know na I need to stop responding to negative comments because I know na those people who matter are those people na nai-inspire ko and those people just giving me positive vibes. I think it's very important for us to give positive energy towards each other. Napaka-stressful pag negative guys. So I don't really want to surround myself with negative people. Talagang part na to ng YouTube. Everyone is gonna get a negative comment talaga. I don't think meron talagang positive lahat. Meron talagang ayaw sa'yo. Just ignore it and do what's best for you. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope na enjoy nyo itong negative comments. Let me know if you want more and hope to see you in my next one guys. Bye!